Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Michael Shu, and if it's your first time here, welcome. Today we're going to be doing another Thursday boots unboxing. Today we will be unboxing Legend by Thursday. Before we unbox, I just want to go ahead and say, if you guys aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And please like this video. It's going to help this video and this channel out a ton. I also want to give my friend Darnell a big shout out. Thank you so much for sending these boots out to me. If you're ever in California, we're going to have to go flying. I'll bring you up and show you all the best spots to eat. Anyways, let's get back to unboxing. I'm not going to go too much into detail about the whole packaging and the boxing, just because I've done a lot of other Thursday boots unboxing and review. And you can find those videos over there, or I'm going to link them down below. But the box is a standard black Thursday boot box with the silver logo, of course. Look at that, nice and shiny. And on the side is also the logo of Thursday boots. And on the other side, it shows you what boots you got. So you see, it should say Legend over there, right? You see that? Does it say Legend? What is this? What does it say? Black matte Duke boots. Duke boots? I thought I got the Legends. Okay, maybe this is just the wrong sticker. It should be Legend. I'm not sure if it's just the wrong sticker or it's the Duke with the different outsole. That's why it's Legend. I don't know, but let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it is. See what's inside here. Like always, I'm gonna give you guys the first look. You guys ready? Alright. Alright, what's inside? Is it actually the Legend or the Duke? Oh, you can't see anything. Let's go ahead, open that for you, open that. See, alright, so when you open the box, it has the boots and it comes in these. It's nice protected. Oh, okay, thank goodness. It is actually the Legend. I guess these are just Duke boots with different outsole. This is the StormKing outsole, and I believe the top, I guess, is just Duke. So on the box, it still says Duke when you order Legends. So when you get the box and it does not say Legend, don't freak out. You got the right shoe in here. When you first unbox it, these boots come in a nice plastic bag, protecting it, making sure that they get shipped to you nice and safe. So let's go ahead and take them out and see what they look like. Boom. Oh, nice and fresh. Look at that. Can you see that? So I guess it is a Duke upper. The bottom is a StormKing outsole, and that's what makes it a Legend. So when you get the Duke box, don't be scared. It probably is a Legend still. Look at that. Nice black matte. Nice and smooth. I really love this pull tab up here. It makes putting on these shoes so much easier, super convenient. It also comes with this cardboard in here just to maintain that shape. I believe inside the boots has these tissue paper type, shoe tissue paper that acts as a shoe tree to keep the shape intact. That's what this paper is in here. Look at that. All right, let's go ahead and take out the other one. One of my favorite things about unboxing these Thursday boots is the smell. Go ahead. Oh, that's fresh leather. Look at that. Nice and smooth, black matte, Legends. Look at that. How do they look? Like I said, I really like it. Let's look at the edges, make sure everything is nice and smooth. 360-degree Goodyear welt. Ho, 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 ho. Another thing that you guys should know is that these are very similar to the Dukes, which I have here. If you guys are interested in a comparison video to see what the difference is between the Duke and the Legend, go ahead and give me a like and leave a comment down below saying you want to see this comparison of the Duke and the Legend. But so far, I'm really liking it. Love the black matte color. It is so nice and sleek. I love the StormKing outsole just because I love to do a lot of hiking. I love to go outdoors to the nature, you know, go on unpaved roads. So I think this is gonna be really helpful. This outsole have more grip, more stability when I'm hiking and traveling. We're gonna be testing out the comfort and everything. But like I said, if you guys wanna see a comparison of these two boots, be sure to leave a like. But that's gonna be it for this unboxing. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick video. Like I said, I've done other unboxing of Thursday boots before. I just wanted to open these and show you guys these awesome legend boots. I can't wait to try them on. That's gonna be it for this video. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick unboxing video just because I've previously done other unboxing of Thursday boots. I just wanted to open these and unbox them with you guys here because you guys mean so much to me. I cannot wait to try these out and compare these side by side. But if you guys have any questions, be sure to leave it down below. Go ahead and hit that like button. Like I said, it's gonna mean the world to me. Subscribe if you guys aren't already. I'll see you guys in the next video. And a message to Kendra. Kendra, thank you so much. Thursday Boots, I love your service. I love their customer service. They're so sweet, so kind, responds really fast. These are all things I love about Thursday Boots. Definitely great customer service. If you have any questions about sizing, about style, go ahead and shoot them a message before you buy a pair because you want to make sure you absolutely love your boots when you get them. I'm actually really loving these legend boots. I can't wait to try it on. Look how sleek they are. I definitely like this color so much. Ooh, look at that. Black on black, camouflage. You can't even see it, look at that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.